Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS ROG Phone 7 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, so let me find them, and here we have to scroll in order to find the display. As you can see on the third position we've got the night light, so first of all we can turn it on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher. And as you can see, unfortunately I've got the dark mode, so you can see the difference on the text, that it is not pure white like it was before. Right now it is kind of yellowish, and it is because your device or this device just applied the eye comfort shield, which will filter the blue light. Of course we can customize it just by entering this option, and here we've got the switcher. By going to the right we can make it much warmer and much more intense, and to the left lighter and cooler option. It's up to you, of course, which option you like to use. Of course you can schedule that feature, you can turn it on at custom time, so you can simply pick the start and the end time, or you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise. It's up to you. Here your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. So as I said, up to you. I prefer this none option, which is the manual option. Alright, so this is the customization of this mode, and if you want to have much faster access to it, all you have to do is to unroll the top bar, and as you can see, after the customization, the night light icon will immediately appear on this panel. So I highly recommend to first of all enter it by using the settings, and then it will automatically appear right here. Right now it is of course turned on. You can turn it off just by tapping on it, and the same situation if you want to turn it on again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.